How to upload a photograph into Google Photos. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can upload any locally stored photo into Google Photos or in Google Cloud. So simply follow these easy steps. So in order to start, the first thing that we'll be going to do is simply launch our gallery or our photos application where our local photos are stored. So let me go to photos, and as you can see, this is my gallery right here, and I have this particular photograph. And let's say I want to move this photo into Google Photos. So what I can do is simply click onto this share option, and then from this list I will find this option that says photos upload to photos. So simply click onto this, and now you can see it will give you an interface like this, and from here you will need to choose that particular Google account on which you want to upload this photo. And then after choosing that, click onto this upload button, and you will see this message or loading bar that says uploading photos. And once that will be done, it will say upload completed. Now you can verify this by going to your Google Photos and look out for this particular image. So here you can see that now this image is also appearing in Google Photos. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.